Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So these vegetables used are the same as in last week's video, but today's video is an extra edition. So have you ever left a cherry tomato in a vegetable compartment and forgot about it, only to find it wrinkled like this a few weeks later? So today I'm gonna show you how to get these wrinkled cherry tomatoes back to the same state as when you bought them in 1 minute. So all you need is water heated to about 70 degrees Celsius. Pour the kettle water which has been boiled and left to sit for a while into the dish with the cherry tomatoes. Then simply wait for 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute has passed. Can you see? The wrinkles on the surface of the cherry tomatoes are gone, and it looks like a new one. So on the left is a tomato has been heated in hot water. On the right is a tomato before it was heated. So the difference is obvious. But be sure to consume it as soon as possible, as the quality will not return to its original state, even if it looks new. And I know people who cook know this knowledge already, but I hope it will be useful to someone else who doesn't yet know it. So after that, I ate these with olive oil and salt. Of course, they were delicious. So if you find wrinkled cherry tomatoes in the vegetable compartment, please try them this way for a tasty treat. So okay, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!